Tell me what you want. Are you hype?
Don't you just love some juicy macaroni and cheese? Well, come on in and stay for a while I make you some in a crock pot.
I'll show it to you when I'm dishing it out. Wait, let me just show you a little piece now.
Shouts out Miss Patti in the building, Miss Patti.
Ass everywhere, bad bitches better get in place. Put that in his face, finesse them, but don't let them.
This is where I'm gonna
Is to get that cash, shake something, get that bad ballers like you know that.
I'm fighting a beautiful
spend that cash. Ass everywhere, bad bitches better get in place.
Tell me what you want, put it out of stock. When I'm at the top, let's see who jumping out the box. I'm what they see per box, they like my dress like shot. Tell me what you want, go out and talk a lot. They envy me, they checking me, they studying my flow. Today they hate me now. Cold I know, cause we people this not low. Riding around the same.
Cheese, glorious cheese. Cheese, glorious cheese.
Tastes mighty inviting.
Cheese, glorious cheese.
It's so tantalizing.
Can I switch? Be cautious with your boo thing. On the low, she blew me a kiss. I'ma move, I grew my fangs in the roof. This altitude gave me drip. Skipping to my loot on trip. Let you hear the swish. Friday night is looking nice. I went outside. New York City lights keeps my head up and my pride. Done paying for my lies. I still try so I can't cry. Swat these niggas like flies. Buzzing around, they ruining the vibe. Got a couple hundred on me. Still won't pop a Z. Drip is in my jeans. Margellas on my feet. New year, different schemes. Michael Cup Supreme, never switching teams, never sipping lean. Tryna get the bugs, tryna bag the lunch. Don't know why she bugs. Found out she in love, never in a rush. Try forget the stuff. I was off the Hennessy, my mind was feeling numb. She know that she into me, she's cute, she's playing dumb. Whispered in my ear and she was talking with her tongue. Never will I ever
Cheese, glorious cheese.
Shotties like my sons, filthy couple from. Pull they strings like Woody while they think they win and won. Hey, tell me what you want, go ahead and talk a lot. It don't matter what it is, I got this shit on lock. Drunk at 6 o'clock, turned it on to that. Seen these young rich niggas on my feet, I said why not. Tell me what you want, put it out of stock. When I'm at the top, let's see who jumping out the box. I'm what they see per box, they like my dress like shock. Tell me what you want, go out and talk a lot. Tell me what you want, get to the green Xbox. Ooh, I talk a lot.
Okay, so now I have had it on low for an hour, and I'm going to put some more shredded cheese on it. Ooh, look at that butter. And I'm going to put it on high for about 30 minutes so that it could get firm and crunchy. I don't know how crunchy it's going to get. It doesn't look much different than baked macaroni and cheese, does it? It even has the crunchiness around the sides. Hope you enjoyed.
Would never miss this room, be true diamond. Would never leave you, baby, close if trying. Would never take another cause you wanna touch. Laugh with a kiss and not do it till she blush.